Welcome to Crazy Problems to Easy Solutions. This is Satyapriya, MPhil in Mathematics. Today is a topic is types of functions. Now, the type of functions. So, the type of the functions are one-to-one, many-to, on-to, and into functions. Now, we have to see for the one-to-one function. A function f a to b is called one-to-one function if distinct elements of a have distinct images in b. That means if we have mapping a function f of a to b, in that a is a set of elements and b is a set of elements, we are mapping in the a is a element to the image of b. So they have all mapping or distinct elements. A one to one function is also called an injection. That means for all a1 comma a2 is belongs to capital A means f of a1 equal to f of a2, which implies that a1 equal to a2. Then we can say f is called the one to one function. We have taken for the example two elements of the set of a. We have mapping for f of a1 equal to f of a2, then which implies that a1 equal to a2. Then we can say f is called the one to one function. For example, a, we have taken the set 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, and b equal to a comma a b c d and e. So we have defined the function. Now let f of 1 comma a, so 1 and a, we are mapping a set a is 1 and b is a, we are mapping 1 comma a, and another 2 comma b, 3 comma d, 4 comma c. So look at the image. Okay, it's the mapping figure. Set 1 1 2 3 4 this is defined, and set 2 that b is a b c d and d. We are mapping the function is 1 comma a, 1 to a, and 2 to b, c, 3 to d and 4 to c. So for different elements in a, there are different images in b, hence f is a one to one function. So we are mapping in different elements in a and then different images in b. The a elements having for all different elements in b, then we can say that f is one to one function. Many one many to one function. Many to one function. A function f of a to b is called many to one function if two or more elements of a having same image in b. So in one to one means the elements, one element of a is distinct elements of a having for the distinct images of b. So many to one means if two or more elements of a having the same image of b. For example, if a function f of a to b is called many to one if f is it is not an one to one function. So if we can say that f is an many to function means then f is not obviously for one to one function. For example, a function 1 comma 2 3 4 and f we are defined in 1 comma a, 2 comma a, 3 comma b and 4 comma c. So in that function we are mapping 1 comma a and 2 comma a. So in that two elements we are mapping in the same image a. So it is called the many to one function. Then f is a function from a to b in which different elements 1 and 2 of a having the same image of a in b. So hence we have say that f is an many to one function. On to function. A function f of a to b is said to be on to function if the range of f is equal to the codomain of f. That means the range of f, how many elements is existing in that image codomain of the elements, also the same image, same elements want to exist, and then there should be in the mapping. Every element in the codomain B has a pre-image in the domain of A and onto function is also called the surjection. That means, for example, A, B, we are taking for the two sets. A is x, y, z, and B equal to L, comma M, comma N. So the function range of f equal to, that means the range of f, the B is a codomain. F equal to L, comma M, comma N. So L, comma M, comma N we have mapped in the every element in the codomain B has a pre-image of domain. That means the codomain L, M, N, they have a pre-image of the domain X, Y, Z. So we here the all elements are mapping to the another sets B. So then it is called the onto function. Into function, a function f of a to b is called the into function if there exists at least one element in b which has not image of any element of a. So for into element is a like if we are taking for the two sets 1 2 3 and w x y z, for the function 1 2 w and 2 2 z 3 2 x, we are defined in that codomain there is one element is doesn't mapping for the domain element. So this is called the onto function. So that is the range of f is a proper subset of the codomain of f. So range of f we can say that the proper subset of the codomain of f. In other words, a function f of a to b is called the into, it is not an onto. So example we have defined in 1 2 3 and w x y z, we have mapping the function is 1 comma w and 2 comma z and 3 comma x. So this is called the onto functions. Next, bijection. If a function f of a to b is both one to one and onto, then it is called, then f is called the bijection from a to b. A function which has satisfied the one to one and onto, so that is called the bijection we can say that. So now we have discussed for the one to one, many to, onto, into, and bijection. So now thank you for watching in crazy problems to easy solutions. Keep on watching. Bye.